Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a fork revalve on this WP XACT 6500 drop-in kit. This was set up to the JBI suspension, Flowy single track spec. This is for a rider that lives in New York and rides the diverse New York East Coast off-road terrain. This is being installed. This is being installed into a 2023 KTM 350XCF. The correct fork spring rate per the rider's weight, riding type, and ability has already been fitted to the cartridges, along with the correct preload spacer has already been installed as well. And again, the cartridges themselves, that is this piece, was revalved to the JBI suspension Flowy single track off-road spec. This is for riders that primarily ride second, third, and fourth gear speeds, most commonly in the third gear type speeds, so meaning you have good momentum and rolling speed as you ride and come across obstacles on the trail. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed many other riding settings. So please, if you like Ride JBI to do your suspension, give us a call or send us an email.